Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are talking about very important teaching approach called integration of subject in teaching. This is a simple but powerful way of teaching where we connect different subjects through one common topic or theme. Instead of teaching science, English, maths and art separately, you bring them together so children can learn in a more meaningful and connected way. This video is especially for teachers and parents who want to support children learning in a more practical and engaging way. So let's explore how subject integration works, why it matters, and how you can use it in your classroom or at home. What is subject integration? So what exactly is subject integration? Subject integration means connecting two or more learning areas around one common topic. For example, if the topic is plants, children will learn about plants in science, count leaves in maths, learn plant vocabulary in English, or even draw a craft or plant in art. This helps children see that learning is not separate pieces of information, but something connected and useful in real life. Why is subject integration important? Subject integration is important because it makes learning more meaningful, interesting, and practical. Children understand better when they can relate what they are learning to real life experiences. It also keeps them more engaged because lessons become active, creative, and hands on. When children learn through connected subjects, they are not only memorizing fact, they are developing understanding. Benefits for children's learning. There are many benefits of subject integration for children. First, it helps develop critical thinking skill because children begin to make connection between idea. Second, it improves vocabulary and communication, especially when language is used across different topics. Third, it supports creativity and problem solving because children can explore one topic in different ways. And finally, it builds confidence because children learn through activities they can see, touch, count, say, and create. This makes learning more enjoyable and effective. How teachers can integrate subjects. Now, let's look at how teachers can actually do this. A good starting point is to choose one main learning objective. Then think about which other subjects can connect naturally to the topic. For example, if the main topic is plants, you can teach science through plants part, English through vocabulary, maths through counting leaves, and art through drawing or crafting. The key is to keep connection natural, simple, and meaningful. Example, plants. Let's use plants as our example theme. Plants are a great topic for integrated learning because children can easily see them in their environment. They can observe them, talk about them, count parts of them, draw them, and learn new words connected to them. This makes plants an excellent theme for early years and primary learners. Science integration. In science, children can learn the basic part of plants root, stem, leaf, and flower. You can explain that root helps the plant absorb water. Stems support the plant. Leaves help the plant make food. And flower help the plant reproduce. You can also talk about what plants need to grow, such as water, sunlight, air, and soil. This gives children simple scientific understanding through real examples. English. In English, children can learn plants related vocabulary such as seed, root, stem, leaf, and flower. You can say the words aloud together, ask children to repeat them, and use them in simple sentences. For example, this is a leaf. The flower is yellow. The seed is small. This supports listening, speaking, and early language development. Mathematics integration. In plants, you can use plants for counting and comparing. Children can count the number of leaves, compare which plant is taller or shorter, Identify more and fewer, and even look for simple pattern in leaf for petals. This makes math visual, hands-on and connected to real objects. Art integration. Art is another beautiful way to integrate learning. Children can draw a flower, color a plant, or create a simple plant craft using paper, crayon, or natural materials. This helps them express what they have learned in a creative way. It also helps in fine motor skills, creativity, and attention to detail. Complete integrated lesson example. Now let's put everything together in one complete example. If the theme is plant, then in science, children can learn plants, parts of plant, and what plants need. In English, they can learn vocabulary. In maths, they can count, compare leaves. And in art, they'll draw and craft plants. So one topic become many learning opportunities. This is the power of integration. Children learn one idea through different subjects in a connected and meaningful way. Here are few simple teacher's tips. First, always start with one clear learning objective. Second, connect the subjects naturally, don't force them. Third, use real objects, pictures, discussions, and hands on activities to make learning memorable. So remember this, integration of subjects means connecting different learning areas through one meaningful topic rather than teaching them separately. That is how learning becomes deeper, more enjoyable, and more meaningful for children. I hope this lesson helps you understand how to integrate subject in simple and effective way. If you are a teacher or parent trying using one theme at one time and connect it across different learning areas, it makes teaching easier and learning much more exciting for children. If you found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more teaching ideas and lesson support. See you in the next video. Thank you.